Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to private your Strava account. So here in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to private your Strava account. To make your Strava account very private right here, all you need to do is open up your Strava account. Once your Strava account has been opened up, next step you need to do is press on your, you can just press anywhere right here. You can just use groups or something like that. And then after choosing that, click on the top right corner right here. Click on the settings icon. After pressing on the settings icon right there, go down till you see privacy and controls. So hit privacy and controls, you can choose a profile. You can make your profile page private for, let's say, followers only, something like that. And you can make your activities private as well. Only you can put it only you. And here you go, group activities. You can on it no one. There you go. Or maybe flybys. You can put in no one. Local legends, no one, yes, leave. So it's gonna, there you go, mentions, you can make it to no one. So there you go, guys. Now you're you have a private account here in Strava, and if you want to turn it back, press on that and just turn it back to everyone. Activities, put it back to everyone. There you go, group activities, put it back to everyone. Then here, local legend, put it back to everyone. And the flyby is really on default at no one. In the mention, you can put it on everyone. So yeah, there you guys. That's how you do it. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys. And I'll be happy to answer as soon as possible here at Guide Glimpse. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.